hardly speak. Go, go.
I get...
Go.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control, and it starts to take over me, over me.
Over me. Ba't may lyrics? Para mabuhat.
Kaya nga, ulit. I get so...
Go. 1, 2, 3,
go. I get so weak on the knees, I can hardly speak.
I
I can or I can't?
I can.
Ate Tui.
I get.
Yung I can hardly speak. I can't. I
I can
can't.
hardly speak.
I can't. With D.
I can.
It's the correct, grammarian. I can't.
I can.
Okay.
Hardly.
Okay. Oh, next one. Ulit.
Next week, next week.
Repeat.
The knees.
On the knees. On my knees.
Mali to!
Iba sa video kay namin. Kanya-kanyang video kaya.
Mali. Mali to.
Lose all control. Yan, dali. On my knees. Okay. Bayo. Banner daw si, magkaaway na kayo.
Suntukan.
Madalin. I get so weak on my knees.
Go,
Manis na lang.
1, 2, 3.
I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control, and it starts to take over me, to take over me. Next, repeat.
Chorus yun, no? Chorus.
Ako, chorus.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
I get
1, 2, 3, go.
I get so weak on the knees. Ay, ang damis yun eh.
Ano?
On my na lang. Ako, video ko nila yun.
On my knees.
On my knees na lang. 1, 2, 3. I get so weak on my knees.
On my
knees.
On my knees.
Parang on my knees na lang.
I get so
weak on my knees.
I get so weak on my knees. Can hardly speak.
I can't hardly speak.
I can hardly speak.
Yeah.
Losing control.
Malapit na. I get so
Go. 1, 2, 3. I get so weak on my knees. I can hardly speak. Go, correct.
I get so, bakit ikaw ang nais ng matanaw nitong mga mata?
Bawal, lakas mo ba?
Bakit ikaw?
Dalawa tayo.
I get so, bakit ikaw?
Pagsabi ka ni Bong,
Na,
video okay lang.
man lang. Okay, na.
1, 2, 3, go.
I get so weak on my knees.
I can hardly speak.
I lose.
Oo, save natin sa
I lose all control.
mga
And it starts to take over me. And it starts to take over me.
Again. Malapit na.
Tamte na laang
Go.
yung... Game.
I get so weak on my knees. I can hardly
I get so...
I
get
1, 2, 3.
I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control, and it starts to take over me, and it starts to take over.
And it starts... No, hindi ko makonton.
And it starts to take over me.
Over me.
And it starts to
And it
take
starts
over me.
No. And it starts to take. Take.
To take
To take. And it starts to take.
over me.
Go, go, go.
Ah, isa pa, isa
Do
pa.
it na naman. Do it.
Aliga! Push! Push pa mo! Push! Push!
Go, go, go.
Game.
1, 2, 3, go.
I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and it starts,
And it starts.
and it starts, and it
Nakakalimutan.
starts to take over me. In a day, so
Second, ano na
amazing
tayo? Second. And it starts.
to take over
And it
me.
starts to take over me.
Ulit, ulit.
Pagkatapos
I
mo,
get so, okay, ulit.
I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose control.
And it starts, and it starts, dali na!
And it's, go, 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 go.
I get so
Dalawa tayo.
Coach,
One,
voice,
two,
voice
three.
coach.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
I get so weak in my knees,
I can hardly speak, I lose
On the,
control.
on the
and it
knees or
starts
on
to
my.
take over me. Then, sunod ay, in the day pala. In the day,
Take,
you look so amazing. In the day,
take. Oh, meron pa yung start.
and it starts to take
And
over
start
me.
to take.
And it starts to take over me. In the day,
In a day,
you look so,
in a day, you look so,
you look so
you look so,
amazing.
you look so amazing.
Ulit. I get so,
Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3, go. I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose control, and start to take, and starts to take over me,
in the day,
and you take,
in the day,
in the day,
in the
again,
day,
wait,
you look so,
ano yung verse?
in the day, I get so,
I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose control, and start to take, over me, and
In the day.
in the day,
you look so
in the day, you look so.
amazing. Amazing.
Again, malapit na, malapit na.
Again.
Go, go, go.
I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control, and it starts to take over me. In the day, you look so,
In the day,
you look so amazing. It's not
you look so.
amazing. It's not
Malapit na, malapit na.
with me. From the time I swallow my pride, your love is so sweet. It knocks me right over my feet. Yan, kuko ng iba pala yun.
Hinahin.
Tapos sa paa pa raw, ano? Hindi.
So, I can hardly speak, I can lose control.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Cause
So amazing.
I think it is.
Sabay lang ako sa'yo. Sige.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control, and it starts to take over me. In the day, you look so amazing. It's not a face. It's not afraid. It's not a face pala.
It's not. Ano talaga? Sabi?
It's not a
Gagalitan
face.
pa yung ano, magtuturo.
It's not a face. I want
It's not at the face.
Parang pag kinakanta mo, pati ikaw nawiwit.
Mano din kay. This, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. And it starts to take over me. In a day, you look so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. But my time, my shadow, my pride, your love is so sweet. And it knocks me right over my feet. I can't explain why your love it makes me weak.
Wala.
I tried hard to find,
Kaya ako ni Kuya Luz.
and now I can't deny
Ah!
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control.
Wala, nagtampo.
Itatapon ko lang aray.
Over me, so
In
in
the
the day you look so
amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to take.
Oh!
Whoa, whoa.
Di na lapel pa rin mo siya.
Loko.
Hindi halata. Hindi bakat.
Ay, nako.
I get so I can hardly speak. I lose all control and it starts to take over me. In the day you look so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me.
Yun na lang, yun na.
My pride, your love is so sweet. Eh, kinakanta ko yan sa banyo lagi bago pa tumugtog dyan.
Ha?
Ay, really?
Kinakanta ko lagi sa banyo.
Bago tumutubig
Bago
kuya?
tumugtog dyan.
Wala,
Hindi,
baka
hindi
sa'yo.
naman.
Baka sa'yo.
Di ako.
Baka sa'yo yun, dinagdagan lang drum, ganun.
Hindi! Original daw yan.
Hindi yung original eh.
Original
Lang yun,
daw.
Makakanta daw siya sa CR. Siguro napakagot ka.
Patay, babay. Hindi pa lang ako. Hindi.
Mabait, palaan ako.
I get so weak
With
in the
the
knees.
knees, I can hardly speak. I lose control and start over me.
In the day, you look so amazing. Napayat-payat na ako rito. Hindi ako masyadong nagkakakain.
Push up na yan.
Tama.
Mga 20.
Ano na, luag na nga ang leggings.
Oo, banina. I think, bumaba ka. Oo. Pumayat ka. Oo.
Yes! Push up, push up.
Push up po.
No, we were saying that she
Namula.
lost a little bit of weight since she's been inside the house. Yeah, and her arms got toned and she got happy. Wala.
Hindi mo kaya mag-push up.
Perfect. We have dumbbells now for the girls.
I will dumbbell myself.
Dumbbells.
Wala, may 3 pounds aray. Kuya, ano pa, paano ako magagarne? Ganto lang.
Gusto mo gawin ngayon?
Ang paliit po.
Una, ganito.
Meron na.
Kagabi nilagay. Kaya kagabi, rinig ko may mga tao. Yeah.
Dito pa ba ganito?
You know 21s? Yeah. Start ka ganito. 1, 2, 7 times. Pagkatapos, sa baba. Okay, 7. So, 14.
Pampaliit po yan.
So, 14. Tapos, 4. 7 ulit.
din.
So, 21. Tapos, pahinga ka
Mamaya
ng 1 minute. Ulit mo ulit. 2 beses.
Sige po. Dinin na ako.
Tapos mamaya, triceps. Para sa biceps yan. Tapos mamaya, triceps.
Ito muna. 1,
Hindi, okay, tama naman.
Kasi si Kuya Omer, talagang umigat siya sa to himself. Like, hala ka lang, guys. Parang hindi naman seryosong challenge to. Hindi namin alam na. Hindi sa wala sinabi kasi, talaga sinabi lang turuan. So, parang, kala pa basic lang. Pang busy work, you know? Parang hindi lang tayo matulog. Wow. Sanday ko ka ka. Ang init na. Oo. Mainit na. Hindi nga ako nag-ano eh. Tinanggal kay kumot ko. Tapos nung nilamig ako bandang midnight. Pero lahat nagsasabi mo ulit sa bahay ni Kuya. Hindi pala mo. Zing, may bisita tayo today? Sana. That would be exciting. Hindi, birthday lang ng daddy ko yung isang araw. So, napaalala ko. Yeah, okay, sanay naman ako na hindi ako nakatira sa bahay nila eh. Tagal na ako nag-move out. Pero alam ko pinapanood nila ako, so parang nakakatuwa. Mas close kami na yun kesa sa habang nasa Makati ako kasi hindi nila alam yung ginagawa ko araw-araw. Ngayon lang nila malalaman kung ano talaga ang daily routine.
Amazing is not a face. I want you to stay with me. By the time
When my time
I
is
swallow my pride, your love is so sweet.
po mo. Unas, cha-cha. Ayan. Tsaka sige. Yun lang. Ano kaya yun? Nai-inlove ako na kanta tapos wala naman akong boyfriend. Parang, ay sinabi kay Kuya, Kuya parang na-inlove na din ako. Parang may boyfriend na din ako. Sabi ko. Siya na, ganun siya. Got in love kasi yung kanta. Kung i-feel mo ba, parang may ano ka ba, may kinakantahan kang tao na yun yung nararamdaman mo kasi in love ka.
I don't know what it is that you've done to me.
I don't know what it is that you've done to me.
caused me to act in such a crazy way.
But it's
But it caused me
to
act
act
in such a crazy way.
in such a crazy way.
Whatever it is.
Whatever it is.
Nakakalito eh. Whatever it is. Something like what you do when you do it.
Kuya, lyrics, be? Sabi niya, sabi pa ni Kuya,
ko eh.
yung paglabas ko, sabihan niyo si Maymay na mag-ingat sa paglakad ba kasi mawik yung paa niya.
Hulaan, mali, underneath pa tayo, tapos over.
Medyo, ha?
Ano ba yung wig?
Yung nawiwik ka kasi parang naiinlove ka. Bakit ano ba rin sa kanya?
Sabi ko, ano ba sa inyo? Sabi ko,
Kuya Love.
di ba? Pero pinakagusto kong part, kasi nga kanta yung kinanta ko, si Tuyo na. Pero kuya, pinakagusto kong part, Swallow My Pride.
Ano pa?
Yung, next,
It knocks me right off.
I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose all control.
Ako, yung gusto ko yun.
That's so amazing. Ito na kuya pinabi ko. Ito na pinakagusto kong part. I swallow my pride, and all was asleep, and it knocks me right up on my feet.
Parang,
I can't explain why your love it makes me. Hindi ka pa rin tapos gawain.
hindi, kasi natatay ako. Basta, itlog ba?
Buti nga yun.
Ang pinakagusto ko po doon is, in the day you look so amazing. Yeah. You're so amazing. Tapos, I can't explain what your love it makes me.
Tinanong ata ni Baninay kung anong meaning. Sabi lang niya, bakit di mo pwedeng wake up call lang? Ha? Ang wake up call lang daw yun.
Si Kuya talaga. Excited na ako na yung mangyayari.
Week ba? Kuya, isa pa.
Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa.
May ganda ka.
Ano? Concert.
Amazing. It's not a big. And I want to stay with me.
Ang ganda nga. Parang, ay.
Yan! Yes!
Ayun na yung, when you do me.
Correct eh. Correct siya.
That I want to stay. Speeding triple time with thoughts
Chorus
of
lang
loving
talaga.
on
Yes,
my
chorus.
mind.
Chorus.
I can figure out
Chorus.
what to do when the only cure is you. I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose control. I start to say, oh, me, in the thing that's so amazing.
Yes!
With me, by my side. By my side yun.
Second verse.
On my knees.
Time after time, I try to hide it.
Your love is the one that keeps me holding on. Hindi ko na
Maghintay na ako sa chorus.
Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. Thinking about just what to do. On my knees, all I care is you. On my knees. I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose it.
Hindi naman nagdamon.
There's no better.
Amazing is not a face. You want to stay with me. Heart when your love is sweet, and it knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why your love it makes me weak. Yan. I tried hard.
Katun ka rin na.
I tried hard to fight it. No way can I deny it. Your love so sweet. Knocks me on my feet. Knocks me on my feet. I get
So weak on my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and it starts to take over me. And a day that was so amazing is out of faith. You want you to stay with me. And my side is slow, my bad is love is the sea. And that's what I love on my feet.
I can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Kuya Jerome. Kuya Jerome. Yeah.
Weak. Na, do my best. It's things out. I can't explain.
Living room, patay na. I get so weak in my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose some control, and it starts to take over me. In the day I saw amazing is with my faith, and it starts to take over me.
As I love my friends, your love is so sweet. And it knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain how love makes me weak. I get so weak that night.
Chorus. Alat tayo, apat. 1, 2, 3.
I get
Kasi 3 lines na.
on my knees. On my knees. On my knees. I can. Is it grammatically
Go.
correct? Si Cora.
Ate Cora.
Ate. I can.
I get so weak on my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose. Ate Cora.
I can.
Yeah, living.
Bakit I can naman? Hindi siya hard to speak. Di ba dapat I can? Kasi parang nauutal siya.
Tingnan natin yung Kuya, lyrics din eh. Pabidyo okay muna saglit.
I could.
I thought I could.
I could nga yung sinabi ko.
Yung si Kuya Luis.
Hindi kasi when you hear the song, it's like, I don't know, hindi ko
Hindi pa.
masyado
Bahala na. Ayos
Doon na,
basta
papunta na
tunay.
dito.
Basta,
Papunta na dito. Ate Cora.
Cora na lang.
I'm coming.
Tatlang buhok. Tabi-tabi. God.
Ay, oo. Scooch
Can you like make up?
Ay, nag-makeup, hala.
Kompleto na tayo. Okay, so pa-translate na lang kay sa kanila. Okay. Alright. Okay, so yung gagawin natin na task is may kinalaman sa kung ano yung napanood natin kanina. So, alam nyo naman na si Kuya Jerome galing sa Charity First. So, sila yung tumulong sa akin nung college pa ako para makatapos ako ng school. So, this time, si Kuya Jerome hihingi ng tulong sa inyo. So, gusto na ni Kuya na personal natin at lalo na ako ibalik yung tulong sa Charity First. Which is sobrang nakakatuwa para sa akin kasi ito na yung time para makabalik ako ng tulong sa kanila. Kaya hinihingi ko yung tulong sa inyo guys. Salamat.
Chance to help that charity. So he's asking us for help.
So, ang gagawin natin is, bibigyan tayo ni Kuya ng mga damit galing sa ukay-ukay. And kailangan nating i-alter yung mga damit at ibebenta natin siya. So, since masaya ako kasi marami tayong model na kasama dito, makakatulong sila sa atin para mag-alter ng damit.
Galing.
So, may mga damit na long sleeve, pwede nyong gawing palda, girls, or shorts. Mga pantalon, pwede natin gawing shorts. Long sleeve, pwede natin gawing polo, and pwede nyo i-design yon. At
Chub yun, no, be? Tapos
kayo na rin ang bahalang maglagay ng presyo.
Okay.
So,
1,000.
Kailangan natin makabenta ng, para maipanalo natin yung weekly task, kailangan natin makabenta ng 20,000.
Siya.
Kaya natin yan, guys. Kailangan na lang natin yung mga
Hindi ko
alterations.
pa sigurado.
If we make the alterations nice, you can charge more.
Yung lahat ng pera na makukuha natin, ibabalik natin, ibibigay natin sa charity first para makatulong sa school. Kaya,
Sa pakiramdam pala na
salamat guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Tulungan nyo akong ibalik lahat ng tulong na ibigay sa akin ng charity first.
Yes.
Tatlong bugok.
Tara na. Nasa na yun.
Ibiblalagay ata ni Kuya sa storage room lahat ng mga gagamitin natin. May marunong ba sa atin manahi?
Medyo.
Kaya natin.
Try ko lang pag ako muna.
Tagpi lang hal.
I-design nyo lang siya, tapos kayo na bahala mag-design kung paano natin mapapaganda yung damit.
Yes.
Yeah, let's make it so whatever people are buying anyway, let's try and do like mga crop tops. You can even take the scraps from the clothes and make like headbands, earrings, necklaces. You can make things out of scraps that can still be sold like accessories. But that's ang markup. The girls see accessories and they just buy them, even for no reason. You know, when you see an accessory that's bagay, you just get it. It's a small thing. You charge like easy amount of money, no change. 100. Bracelets, stackable. You take the fabric, you can make necklaces, earrings, bracelets out of the things that we would throw away. Buttons, everybody save the buttons. Save everything that's on there that can be used for something else. I'm so excited. I love this sound. I'm so excited.
Tag-iisang daan. Ilan dapat ang mabenta?
Walang sukle yung mga
Sabay tila. 200 na dami. Exactly, sa 1,000 na lang.
Pero madami
Madami
tayong
ka
gagawin.
mag-produce yan.
Siyempre,
Pag baka pagmahal, mahal
Yun
yung
ang
bili.
ale. Tikpa kay Bandares na lang. Ale. Tikpa kay Bandares na lang.
no change.
Yes. 100. Benta na lang natin. Dahil nang iyo at ang aking wala